2 days ago, before we came into Kennedy Meadows, we were down in that valley over there. And then we came up and up and up and up and up behind this mountain here, climbed up onto the ridge, and then we were on this ridge all day long until we descended down to Sonora Pass in this valley here. And then we climbed right back up, and now I'm over here. Looks like a storm's coming in.
It's the most useful thing in the world.
What is this? What is this? Jesus.
You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about.
Hey, what's cracking? PB loves Huckleberry Finn.
You could definitely just camp there without them knowing.
Yeah.
Especially at this hour. Oh, a Tesla. Let me. What is that, a 1?
20.
That's a 20, bro. All but the thigh.
July 9th, 2021. I'm feeling conflicted today. I'm definitely excited to be back on trail, but leaving Tahoe after having such a great time is a challenge. I think I'm about 3 or 4 days behind my friends. If I have any hopes of catching them, I'll have to start cranking up the miles. So it's July 11th. I started pretty early this morning, probably around 5. Really like waking up a bit earlier. Allows me to have a couple extra hours in the day to put in miles. And speaking of miles, yesterday was my biggest day. It was about 33 miles, and I was able to even stop at camp early and read my book that I'm carrying, paperback. Unbelievable, I know. And then look at this view. Hang on, just look at this. Wow. Nothing really beats that. I'm gonna sleep in there. Peter Grub Hut. Cannot wait. July 13th, 2021. I'm sitting inside a wonderful, air-conditioned room in Sierra City. I'll be spending most of my day here because I don't want to climb the massive hill that leads out of town in these 90-degree temperatures. I can smell smoke in the air. Some folks are saying that there's a wildfire nearby. With these temperatures, I believe it. After donating a few items to the hiker box and selling my air mattress, my backpack is feeling really light. I'm feeling stronger than ever, and big miles that once seemed unobtainable have become the new norm. If my math is correct, I'll be catching my friends much sooner than anticipated. I am hot on their trail. It's wow, it's July 1st, Canada Day. My Canadian friends will be waiting and celebrating. Yo! Canada Day! All the sunshine, with glowing hearts we see the rush. Our true north, strong and free.